Hello, welcome to our tour of FactCite's Biography for Beginners. My name is Duncan Shaw. I'm the Content Marketing Manager for FactCite Lincoln Library Online. Thanks for watching. FactCite is an award-winning collection of databases for grades K through 12 from the Lincoln Library Press. All of our databases are budget-friendly, and they include FactCite 123 Lingo, FactCite 123, Biography for Beginners, Essential Biographies, which includes U.S. and World Biography, Shapers of Society, and Sports Champions. Then we have World Mythology, 2 American History databases, Science and Technology, Countries and Cultures, and Essential Information. Databases can be purchased individually or bundled together for even greater savings. More information about these individual databases can be found at lincolnlibrary.com. Biography for Beginners is one of our most popular databases. It's designed for students in grades 3 through 7. It hosts over 800 entries of explorers, authors, presidents, athletes, journalists, actors, artists, and more. Students benefit from thousands of illustrations and maps that provide important context and bring figures to life. Biography for Beginners regularly grows with new content and updates. Today we're going to learn how to get the most out of Biography for Beginners. We'll look at the 3 ways to search, our layout that's designed to maximize comprehension, citations, our audio read-along feature that's on every FactCite entry, and step up to a reading challenge. So let's take a look. This is the Biography for Beginners main page. There are 3 ways to search this database. Students can find specific entries with the keyword search bar at the top. They can browse with the alphabetical index, and they can search through the special topic indexes. And let's see what happens when we search for Newbery. And here we go. We profile each year's Newbery and Caldecott winners, so in order to find the Newbery winners, all you have to do is type it up here. We like to update Biography for Beginners with authors that students are currently reading. Now back on the main page, we see the alphabetical index again, which is really great for browsing. And beneath that, students find indexes of profiles based on occupation, and down here, by country of birth. These indexes highlight really important curriculum areas, so teachers can assign projects on US presidents or students' favorite writers. Biography for Beginners is perfect for reports around Black History Month and Women's History Month. Students can find everything that they would need for living wax museum projects too. So what do individual profiles look like? Let's find Neil Armstrong. So clicking on World Explorers here brings us to an alphabetized list of more than 100 persons. And Armstrong is right near the top. Right away, we see this welcoming, easy to read layout. Columns have 10 to 12 words per line to maximize comprehension and readability. Font is also optimized for online reading. These headings help students progress through the content. And students can view the articles on separate pages, which we see currently. But clicking on this button at the top will show the article on one scrollable page. And here we have the photos, the Apollo 11 liftoff, Armstrong and Buzz Aldrin placing the flag on the moon. And we state in the footer on every page that students may use with credit text and images on the site and homework assignments, so students are free to use any material they find in here for their homework as well. And every FactCite entry features an audio read-along. Students just click play right here, and the read-along highlights what's being read. Students can also personalize the speed of the reading by clicking on the gear right here. And that shows some other really helpful options as well. And FactCite also has integration with Google Classroom and Noodle Tools. The Google Classroom link is up at the top of the page right here, and Noodle Tools is at the bottom of each page. And ML8 citations are also listed at the bottom of every single page. So this is a huge help for students creating bibliographies. And there's even more helpful information about the article at the end. So we hear the Lexile measure, which is on many of our pages. And we have our own algorithm that matches each FactCite entry to reading level that you see right here, and we have that on every single page. Word count is also included here. And certain FactCite bundles link databases at different reading levels to support differentiated learning. The Step Up to a Reading Challenge button here is activated if a matching entry at a higher reading level exists that your subscription includes. So when I click Step Up to a Reading Challenge, we're taken to an entry in Shapers of Society, which is at a higher reading level and has more detailed information. The Tips for Teachers resources, which you can find at the bottom of each page. This houses activities based around Biography for Beginners and our other databases. Many of these activities were suggested or created by subscribers, so if you have any suggestions of your own, reach out to us at owls@factsite.com. Thank you so much for watching our brief overview of FactCite's Biography for Beginners. Check out our YouTube channel for more information on individual databases. Sign your school up for a free preview teachers can use in class and students can use in the library at home. Head over to lincolnlibrary.com to sign up for a free preview today. Thanks again for watching.